miss you. Wow, you're 88 years young. I love you.
Love you, Grandma. We miss you. Happy 88th birthday. Wish we could be there with you.
I love you, Bunga. Happy 88th birthday, Grandma. We love you. Hope we can be there.
Hello, Ma. Si Tessie. Maligayang bati sa inyong kaarawan. 88 na pala kayo. Sayang, sana nakauwi kami. Pero sa susunod na lang. Kaya, happy birthday! Mag-enjoy lang kayo dyan. Sana good health ka palagi. You're praying for your, everyday. Pati na kay Papa. Kaya, mabuti naman kami dito ng mga apo nyo. Sana magkita-kita tayong uli. Kasama na sila, JJ and family nila. Si Jonathan, pati si Bridget. Happy birthday ulit, Ma. Enjoy lang kayo dyan. Stay healthy.
Stay young.
Stay young.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Love you. Miss you. See you soon.